Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to be looking at the best, the most amazing OneNote tips and tricks. OneNote is like a digital notebook. Without wasting any more time, let's jump on and have a look. Okay, now I'm going to show you 6 OneNote tips and tricks. OneNote is the app you can take down notes and everything, and many of these YouTube videos are also done on OneNote, like the dialogues and what I have to say, the list of tips and all are done on this. I've jumped on to the Windows OneNote app here. Now OneNote is divided into notebooks. So the first division is notebooks. Now if you see there's a notebook, I can add new notebooks. So these are notebooks, like however we write on piece of papers in notebooks, that is notebook. Now notebooks are divided into sections. So these are few other sections that these are all the sections here. You can add sections here and do everything. Now think of sections like chapters in a notebook. So like sections are like chapters in a notebook. And now sections are divided into different pages. These are different pages in the notebook. So this is one page, you could add another page, you could add another page. So these are all the pages. So OneNote is divided into notebooks, which is divided into sections, and these sections are divided into pages. Now let's move on to the first step of the day: text from image. Now I've actually got this image, and this is the Royal Challengers Bangalore squad for the IPL 2022. This is just the first 7 names I've just taken up. So I'm gonna right click on the image and say copy text from picture. Once I say copy text from picture, I'll paste it anywhere and that text comes. And it has done fairly a good job because it has identified the text to OCR. So I like it's done a fairly good job. Now the next second tip of the day: full page view. Let's say this page is too small and I want a full page view. I'll go to the view tab and say full page view, and I get a nice and a full page view without actually looking at the ribbon. So it's a nice and full page view. Number 3, this is top secret. So this trick is top secret. So for this one, I don't want anybody to actually see this secret. So how can I protect this secret? So I'm gonna go on to this section here and right click and say password protect this section. When I say password protect this section, I can set my own password here. Let me set a password here. I can confirm the password, and it's giving me a little warning. If you lose or forget the password, OneNote cannot recover your data. And remember, passwords are case sensitive. So I'm going to say OK, and this is password protected. And I'm going to say lock all, and this section is password protected. So let's see it. I enter to open, and then I have to enter the password. If the password is right, it opens up the thing. Number 4, keep Windows or keep Windows during Windows. Keep OneNote Windows always on top. The OneNote Windows on the Windows app always on top. To do this, go to the view tab, and I'm going to click on always on top. When I've clicked on always on top, if I see, and let's say I make this small, and I have also this, I have this window as well here. Even if I try to bring it on top of this, I am not able to bring it because this one is set to on top. So this way you could keep Windows always on top. So even if you're reading from your tab and you're bringing other windows left, right, it doesn't interrupt your reading. Number 5, ink to text. So now we can actually ink or write into text. So let me write something. Let me write our channel's name, TECH technology. So let's write a technology with Abhinav. So I can now make this editable text. So let me show you how. Okay, I've done my drawing here right now. Now I'm going to use the lasso select tool and just select everything here. Let me select this. Okay, 1 second. Okay, 1 second. Ink to text, the lasso select tool, draw ink, the lasso select tool, and then I'm going to pull everything in this, and I'm going to go draw tab and say ink to text. When this is ink to text, it actually makes this text editable text. So technology with Abhinav. Therefore this is editable text. Now number 6, translator. I want to translate this line to maybe French. So how do I do it? I go to the review tab and go to translate selected text. So here it opens up, and so to French is technologie avec Abhinav, and if I say insert, it has inserted this text. I really don't need to go to Google Translate and actually do the text again. I can do the same thing here. So these were the OneNote tips and tricks that I wanted to actually show you. So guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this video, and like, share and subscribe. If you want any other video or any other topic, leave that topic in the comment section below. Also comment which trick did you like the best. See you next time. Bye.